Shut up. Never happened. Get off. This ain't working. Big as heck burner. Why not? More like, oh, why should I have to? You know, go cheese, quickly. Fair warning, I've never actually made a grilled cheese. Well, I have made a grilled cheese, but it's been a long while. I was making this for a snack. Some may argue this isn't a snack. I say, shut up. I'm making this for myself. Now, if I do post this to YouTube, and if this gets like more likes on my music, I'm just gonna be upset. Because I have my own channel for music. it should be more likes for music. But if it's just simpler, it gets more likes. I'll probably get more likes on music. Of course I get more likes on music. I'm doing something stupid, which is making grilled cheese at... Holy crap, is this burning? No, I probably should turn this down. That's all I wanted. There we go. That's too high, too high, too high. There we go. Ooh, that's good right there. Rotate this around. Rotate this on top. Come on. This shows that I made a grilled cheese harder. Toasty. Okay, we're back. I'll believe it to be done. And stupid tiny pan. I knew I should have gotten a bigger pan because of how big the original thing is. Let's see if I can counter the like this. Before the video is posted, I'll probably edit it so that, you know, if I accidentally reveal where I live. Oh, who am I kidding? As if. I've just been getting tense. Alright, this is done. I need a plate. Just to stay there for 5 seconds. Dog's in there. Alright, let's take her. There we go. That went horribly. Why did I do that? Oh well. Put everything up. This in here. This and this and this too. It's a real good thing I didn't touch the butter with the pan, or else that would have been horribly. Because I probably just spilled a bunch of melted butter out the thing. This. And move this to an unheated spot. Take my spatula, pour it in starboard cabinets. No, I'm just kidding. There. These two come with me for part seconds. I didn't use the mayonnaise, so I don't know why I haven't bothered taking it out. Give it a minute. Now where did I put this? There it is. Just gotta tie up the bread. That way it won't get ruined faster than bread already gets ruined. That's fun. Anyways. automatic lights. Doing pretty good. Not really impressive on me, to be honest. I'm gonna pick up the grilled cheese. I guess I'd call it toasted cheese more of. I don't know. Yeah. I rate it a 7.5 out of 10. 7 more of. I mean, it was a little bit crispier in some places. I wanted to use the mayonnaise, but I just forgot to use it. Imagine I probably made it a little bit better in taste. But all in all, it's the first one I've made in a long while, so it could have been worse, could have been better. I'm not doing this again.